I'm not sure.
Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me.
Yeah, that's how his hand would go. It'd go like that, I think, a little bit. I can't. That arm, it would move.
I've had years of cramped up city life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pretty life, can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee.
Hey, Rocky, did they name Rocky Top after you?
No. When I was born, my mama took one look at my bald head and said, "He looks just like Rocky Top." Of course, I'm improved with age.
Like a pint of cheese.
Cheese? Did someone say cheese?
But you guys done or no?
No, Bubba. We're
Huh?
going to sing. Folks,
Oh,
these
okay,
next
okay.
numbers are
Making sure.
dedicated to John
Making sure. Somebody do stop David
Mary
Andrew.
around Mary.
Hot dog ahead.
There's John,
Folks,
okay.
Miss Henrietta Hempin.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to make sure. Like when they're done, I can come back and look at them. Like,
Yeah, just for a little bit though. I gotta start watching.
yeah. What time is it right now? Like 9.
It's 9:30.
Oh yeah, you guys don't close. It's like 30 minutes or so. This is like every other time I went, they were like closed because I think due to maintenance and stuff like that. This is crazy. Yeah, 6. Well, 5 cybernetics and then 1. What's the animatronic type called for Nick?
What?
What kind of animatronic is Nick?
I think it's called VPN, but I'm not sure.
VPN? Oh. Well, I think it looks like a cyberanic, so I might call it like 6 cyberanics right here. Oh, 6. This is the back of him. Yeah, maybe next time if you were here, I would have to do like a tour of this place while it's closed. And so like the mechanism tour next time. Like, these guys without cosmetics.
Maybe next time. Yeah.
Next time,
Not tonight though. Maybe next time.
Not today. Like, but next time.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, if I come back here next time, I'll kind of like before they run. Like before they're all like 5 o'clock or something. Just before they open. To get an exclusive tour. I love the flag.
Oh, I think it's starting in 1 minute. The one with the flowers.
Oh. Wait, so it's time? Oh. Oh yeah, I hear fireworks going on. Yep, here they are. That's a
Clapping your feet, stomping your hands, 1 and 2.
Oh, it's not over, okay. Kanai Joe. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Kanai Joe. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Kanai Joe. Not Joe.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Batman Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Batman Joe? I'd have been married a long time ago if it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. With a ball peen hammer and a 2x4, gonna beat the devil out of Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from?
Yeah, head mouth needs some work.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe? I fell down and stubbed my toe, all because of Cotton Joe. Oh, my guitar, here I go. I'm gonna dance at Cotton Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe?
Okay. Have fun here today, and then come back real soon.
Yep, and there, and boom. Down. And down here they come. Monkey Band's not playing on that one, that's funny. Yep, here they are.